Welcome to Track 9 GPS Tracker. Today we are going to explain you how to become a distributor in Track 9 GPS Tracker. You can see this is the very simple process. Become a distributor of the entire district in just rupees 10,000. Okay. So this is the amount which you have to spend, which you have to invest in this distributionship and franchisee program. And let us know other things about the GPS. First thing is the what is the GPS. So GPS is the very small device which is a electronic device and which are used in automotive products or electronics product. By using this GPS tracker you can track your vehicles or personal trackers or anything. You can track where is that vehicles. You can track speed, you can see the playback, whatever the details which you are getting through the satellite, through the GPS tracker, you can access all the things. So this is the small device and very demanding device in the market. So we have a lots of model, we will explain you later in another catalog or PPT. So let us explain what is the process and how much you have to invest. This is the very simple process. Other thing already mentioned in your WhatsApp and also given the link. By linking you can registration fees is very small, just 100 rupees. You can just go, just you have to click given link. That is the registration fees 100 rupees, and after registration you will get the call from our office. Our salesperson will explain you all the things, what is the next process and all, and whatever the process already mentioned in below sheet. Okay, you can see cost price and profit. You can see purchase price is different for the all level partnership. Distributor will get only 2000 rupees. Okay, and suppose you have become the distributor, you will get this device only 2000 rupees, and you will be sole partner in district from the Track 9 GPS. Whatever the sale is taken place in your district, all the sale will be conducted by you. So 2000 is the distributor price and dealer price is 2300. Retailer price is 2400 and agent price is 2500. You can see the profit 500 to 1500, 600 to 1500. Different level have a different profit. And market rate is 3500 to 4500. It is a discounted price you can give to the customer. And MRP mention of this device is 5000. 5000 what you will get? You will get the 1 GPS tracker, SIM card with 1 year recharge, tracking apps satellite based with 1 year recharge, and also relay switch. So you will spend only 2000 and you will get all the things which have 5000 MRP. You can sell as per your market price or as per level of buyer, agent, retailer or dealer. Everything will be explained you through our salesperson. Now it's how to work. Company will provide you the certificate for the entire district. You will be whole sole representative or partner in your district. Company will contact you only, and other direct customer, retailer or whatever, they will contact to our head office. They will be only purchase all the devices from you only. So better option to become a distributor. We have also another program, dealer agent, but that is a very simple, very low level program and also very less marginal program. If you become the distributor, you will be directly contact to our office, and other person, dealer, retailer, agent, whoever is joining us, they will under you in your district. You can see the what is the company gives you. Company gives you lots of things. Company gives you marketing material, training, and also some discounts and also some credits, whatever the things which you will get from the Track 9, everything mentioned there. So starting is just 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees, what you will get? You will get the 5 devices. Each device is 2000 rupees. If you multiply by 5, it is a 10,000 rupees. So you can invest only 10,000 and you will become the wholesale distributor of district. And next is the dealer, retailer and agent. All this dealer, agent, retailer, it will be become by two way. One is from our head office, because our head office advertisement is going on Facebook, Google and other offline projects. Whatever call from will receive from your district, our person will explain all the things and also share your details and also introduce to you, so that dealer, agent and retailer can get all the device and whatever the support from your office only. Okay, so now come the customer, detailer and retailer data. Company have a lots of software. Company will help you to make the dealer, distributor, agent and customer in your district. They will, our company will provide you the maximum support to become the big distributor or big seller in your district. Next is the incentive and extra discount. Once you become the distributor, you will start from 5 devices only, but later on when you will understand what is the GPS and how to work, then after your performance, company will also give the some incentives and also will give the GPS in a credit loan. If suppose you don't have a money and you have a big partner, you have a good partner with us, company will provide you on credit basis all the GPS. Okay, after selling and after some certain period time, you have to pay to company and for the next order. Installation, training and marketing support, you can see this one. You will also get the distributor training from our office and also installation training. For all the training and all the things, we have a different officers and also different department, they will contact you. Okay, so all the things mentioned and also lots of things which is not being mentioned in this catalog, you can directly contact and also get the detail whatever question in your mind. Now it is a time to understand how much you have to pay to become a distributor. It is a very small amount, 10,000 rupees only. In this 10,000 rupees, you don't have to pay the 10,000 in a single shot. There is a two option. One is a pay in a single shot. If you feel uncomfort, if you have a financial issue, you can pay only 1,000 rupees, and 9,000 rupees is a cash on delivery. But if you get this option cash on delivery, you have to pay 300 rupees extra. So total amount is 10,000 in 10,000, 1,000 in advance and 9,000 plus 300, 9,300 at the time of delivery through cash on delivery option. For the dealer price is very high, 2,300, but dealer all will get GPS from distributor only. Suppose you become a distributor and other dealer want to become a dealer or want to 1 2 3 devices, they will not get device from our office. They will be get GPS device through you only. Your price is 2,000 and minimum price is 2,300 to dealer, or for the customer have a 3,500 4,500. So this is the short description. Okay, when you join, when you will understand our business format, then you will know how to play in the market. Company have one partner apps. You can see company will provide you the one partner apps. You can handle all the things. You can handle new leads, you can handle training, you can handle new dealer, distributor. Every point have a profit which you will get from office. Okay, you, there is also lots of contact number department wise where you can contact and also get the help from them. Now it is time to pay, where you have to pay. This is the payment option. This is the TrackNine GPS current account. You can pay through this scanning, or there is a ICICI Bank current account, also have a Phone Pay, Paytm and UPI. Now if you have also reading all these things, you have any problem, any queries, you can contact to the salesperson, which number are given below through WhatsApp, and also you can mail drop. You can also get the details from the website. Now see the some samples what you will get from the company. It is a some sample only, while we have a lots of sample which is to be given you to spread your business in your district. This is the sample certificate where everything will be mentioned, your name, address and all, and also clearly mention the distributorship certificate. This is the sole distributorship program. You will become the distributor for entire district, one distributor, and after that who will be joining our company as a dealer, agent or customer, whatever, they will under you. There is a sample banner which you will also provide a company free of cost. You can use at your shop, at your dealer shop. Okay, and there is a blank space where your detail will be provided in this white space. Other things is the product pictures and vehicle device. You can see the lots of models and also lots of things, T3, T4, T5. We have a different features and also different price. You will also get the separate price list where mention all the things, are also mention the distributor price, dealer price, MRP, and also some features. If you see the catalog, there's a separate catalog where mention all the details mentioned in that. You can understand the device wise what is the features and other things also. This is the GPS products, and also if you see another product, it is the short description, detailed description you will get in catalog. Also have a ID card GPS, pet GPS tracker, GPS watch, asset GPS tracker. Okay, and also some sample poster for the dealer which we will also get from the office. We have a designs of poster which have a mention all the normal prices, and also you can see the features, tracking engine off, playback, alerts, geofencing and all. The maximum thing we have mentioned in this video, and after that lots of question and lots of requirement, lots you can contact with the salesperson. They will help you to understand what is the business, and definitely this is the very profitable business and there is no competition in market. This is a very good product, and also we are the number one GPS tracker solution. We have a trusted brand in India. If you try to get the some detail from the other brand, there is no brand in India which you can help you what is the product and what is the price and what is the solution. They are just trading. So become our distributor and also get the lots of benefit and also huge profit in your area. Thank you very much.